Today, I'll walk you through how to turn a Google Docs document into a PDF, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to convert your document into a PDF format so you can easily share or print it without any formatting issues. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine or going directly to the Google Docs website. This is where all your documents are stored and managed. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click on your existing document that you want to convert. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Now that you have your document open, look for the File option in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your document. Next, hover over the Download option in the drop-down menu. You will see several formats available for download. Click on PDF document, which is usually labeled as PDF. This step is crucial as it tells Google Docs that you want to save your document in PDF format. After you click on PDF document, your browser will initiate the download. You should be able to see your document downloading into PDF format. This process may take a moment, so be patient. And there you have it. You have successfully turned your Google Docs document into a PDF. Now you can easily share it with others or print it without worrying about any formatting changes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.